Hello, hello, hello. It's Friday afternoon, January 25th, 2019. Welcome. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Eddie Vidal. I'm a realtor with Global Premier Properties, hosting another open house. Today we're in the Santa Clarita Valley. We're in Newhall, in the city of Newhall. This house is amazing. I'm gonna show you guys. So real quickly, I'm gonna give you guys some details. The address is 26449 Whispering Leaves Drive in Santa Clarita. It's was listed at $659,900, but just this morning, guys, it was actually reduced to $635,000. Let me walk outside real quick and show you guys what this house looks like. Obviously, you have this beautiful view out here. It's in a great community. Walking distance from some very, very prestigious schools. Very nice schools. Anyways, let me show you inside. As you walk in. You have a bathroom right there. Half bath. Look at this kitchen, guys. Stainless steel appliances. Here's your formal dining room. And of course, all the bedrooms are upstairs, but let's walk to the backyard. We have a nice patio back here. Let's save that pool for afterwards, for last. Look at this view, guys. Of course, the property goes all the way up there. We have a good tub or a property yet. 2-car garage. Wood burning fireplace. I will show you guys the garage, but the dog is inside there, so I'm gonna leave that alone. We'll go first to the master bedroom. When you wake up, French doors that open up to your balcony. Bedroom number 2. Second bathroom. Actually, this is the third bathroom. Bedroom number 3. Last but not least, bedroom number 4. Obviously, guys, video, pictures, all of that does not do any justice to this house. Get an idea, but you can't really appreciate how beautiful this house is until you come through, see it for yourself. You guys can fall in love with it, and then after that you call me. Let me go to work for you, hire me, let's submit an offer.